ACI 1948 here, doing a quick update on the Roscoe Roll Pac. This will be after the video that where I run it around. I did kind of a quick cleanup with the wire wheel. I just went over everything and took all the rough stuff off for the most part, and used some case power yellow on it. If you don't get too close to it, it looks pretty good, and the camera's probably making it look better than it really is too. But it's probably going to sit outside. I hate to say that, but protect the engine and everything, but I don't know if it's going to get shed space, so it needed something done to it for sure. It's just such a big big awkward thing to try and store, but at least it'll be kind of protected. It's going to see some use. It should be a video of, maybe I'll do a video on rolling the neighbor's yard. It kind of needs to be smoothed out, so that'll work. And then also, when I get my new place, I'm going to put a driveway in and everything, so it's probably going to get used there too. So I've got some projects for it, so it's going to be worked. But alright, well, that's going to do it for this quick little video, a little walk around on it. Looks a lot better than it did. Alright, I'll see you next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.